Hello again, and thanks for joining. We've got 4 boosters from Spider-Man to open up here. Um, while we get into these, if you guys wouldn't mind leaving a like and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. It'll help the channel grow so we can do some different types of openings, like maybe later on at some point in time we can try more Secret Lair or just different packs, different kinds of things. Yeah, it'll definitely help the channel too, growing and such. Okay, professional wrestler, selfless police captain, lurking lizards, Spider Rex. Oh yeah, that's a cool card. Eerie Gravestone. I actually like this card. I might put it in a few decks. Wrecking Ball. Mysterio Phantasm. What sets are your favorite out of Magic the Gathering? Besides, like, Alpha and Beta, which started it, and revise or unlimited and revised and stuff like that. What are your favorite sets? I think my favorite sets were the Urza cycle. They came out with a lot of great cards, and I don't know. I just think it was a great set. So I think this is my first Hydro Man. That's cool. Venom Hunger. And we got a dual land foil. Great. Hot dog. And robot. You never want to have a robotic hot dog, though, I don't think. Maybe some people do. I don't know. Not me. I've never been too big of a fan of hot dogs. Sausages, yes. Hot dogs, not so much. My brother, however, loved hot dogs for a long time. They're his favorite. That and the good old bologna. And I've never been too keen on bologna either. It's weird, the changes you make throughout life in the way you eat and the way you do things. You know, everything that you do, everything that people do around you kind of leads you to a certain way of being, a certain way of doing. You know, should always be kind to those around you. Make friends, not foes. Sorry. Spider Girl, Legacy Hero. I don't think I've gotten any of her before. Maybe I have, but I don't know. Hobgoblin, Mountain Marauder. I don't think I've gotten any of him before either, but I might have also. I've gotten a bunch of these, though. And Oscorp, Try Land. Great. And Spider UK. Uncommon Foil. And a Swamp. I don't know why. I don't know why they don't just do, like, for these series and stuff like that, only produce the special lands, like the web swamps and the web whatever. I don't know. I think that's what they should do, like they were doing with, I think the first time they did anything outside of these type of lands was when they were doing the unglued set a long time ago. I had the full set of that at one point, And then I started collecting, I think it was Unhinged was the next set. I got about half that set. And then I stopped playing, stopped collecting. Life got in the way. But now it's like I'm down just working one job, but it's definitely a very stressful job. So I'm also doing this on the side, trying to grow a fan base, trying to, grow the channel to see if we could start making a great collection here of cards and stuff. Sudden Strike. All right. And Raging Goblinoids. All right. Madam Web. We got 4 cards left. That's usually a good sign. The Clone Saga. That is a rare. And Doc Ock Tentacle, rare. Whoosh, foil common. And a foil dual lands. Then we got a human citizen and a treasure token. All right, we are down to the last pack. If you guys wouldn't mind taking a minute, liking and subscribing to the video, sharing it with others, and yeah, help me grow the channel. Let's see what we can do here. I would greatly appreciate it. We would greatly appreciate it. And I'd be able to do more great openings of different things. I've done Legos, I've done Magic cards. We might do more Legos in the future. I might do some Lego builds. Just different things. And if you guys haven't seen any of those, you can go back into the channel and look at what I've got in there. So, lots of content. Pictures of Spider-Man. How did he get those? I really like this Spider-Man Noir. We got another Sandman here. Great. 2 cards left. Wrecking Ball. And a mountain. Spider and a treasure. Well, that's it for this video. This time we got 5 out of 4 packs. Spider-Man, or Sandman, Shifting Scoundrel, Doc Ock Tentacles, Clone Saga, Oscorp, and Hydro Man. Bunch of uncommons, including my favorite out of that stack is probably the Spider-Man Noir, however you want to call it. Got a foil Spider UK, some other foil commons, and a bunch of other commons. Again, if you guys wouldn't mind taking a minute, leaving a like and subscribe, sharing with others, we would definitely appreciate it. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. See you soon.